Here I am finally after months of waiting. I am swimming in the Laguna Bacalar, also known as the Lagoon of 7 colors, because the water really changes 7 different colors. Here I'm in a really pale colored area. It's so amazing. It's time to escape the big city of Mexico City for a few days, and we decided to check out Bacalar. The Laguna Bacalar is famous for its 7 colors. Absolutely stunning place, more adventure travel in the southeast of Mexico. We got here pretty late, so we just headed out for a bite of food. So we just finished our first dinner in Bacalar. We went to Savora Bakhalal, close but not the same. Really cool place, and I think it's one of the only places that has like a top patio 2nd floor, which was really awesome. It was good food, good prices. We really enjoyed it. Now we're having our first bite of ceviche in Bacalar. Very good, very fresh, very salty, but delicious. How cool is that? I am standing on the large balcony of our Airbnb, and we have a little restaurant right across the street. I got Salbutes. It's going to be my first time. They are fried tortillas like you saw that got puffed up, and then they were crushed flat. On it you have at the bottom a layer of pickle. On it she put some shredded chicken. We also have some red onions, some tomato, and a little bit of avocado. Yeah, it's really good. So this is definitely a lovely breakfast to have if you ever get the chance. Finally, it's daytime. From right outside of Airbnb, you can see a little bit of the Laguna Bacalar, the lake of 7 colors, and we're off to go check it out. We have clouds right now, so you're not seeing the distinction of color quite as much. When we got here it was sunny, but I'll still give you a quick peek, and hopefully we'll find some sun a bit later so you can really see the change of color, because it's totally there. It's amazing. Let me show you a little bit here lower. You'll see it's quite a lot paler. It is the lake of 7 colors. My God, guys, is this not just absolutely paradise? Look at the color on the lake. We are at the Kai Pez restaurant, which we believe is owned, or there's a connection with our Airbnb. And you get a 10% discount because we are staying there. And this is the lovely view we get for our lunchtime. Isn't it just amazing? It's paradise. And because we are guests here, we can go and swim here for free, because every other place we've been to, you gotta pay. And we will also be going on a boat tour at 3:30 to check out the Laguna, which will be going off from the quay right over there. So a little piece of advice, like any other place, make sure that you don't say yes to the first tour that you are offered, because definitely when we came down this morning, they were, as we walked, they were coming up to us and approaching us for tours. So we kind of negotiated and ended up getting our tour tomorrow through Nevis, which is from our Airbnb, which is Parasol Suites. Highly, highly recommend it. She's been really helpful as well. And we got, even by the local standard, we got a really good deal for tomorrow. We're going to go see 3 Mayan ruins. So make sure to ask around and negotiate to get your best price when you go to these types of destinations. Okay, so I ordered a drink. It's a beer with some tomato, and I already did a tasting of the rim, and I swear I'm going to do it again, and it's not like I'm going to refake it. It's a little spicy, but so sour. Natasha was laughing her head off at the face I was making, so I'll do it for you again. Oh my god, it's so sour. It's not necessarily that it's spicy, there's just, I don't know what it is, but it is so sour. But it's good, so it's ojo, was it ojo mix? So that's what the cocktail is called. Natasha has a garlic shrimp and a side of guacamole. Of course, you get your nachos every time. I have a fish ceviche tostada, and I have a shrimp empanada coming. Okay, so here's my tostada with the fish ceviche, kind of hard to carry. There's nothing like fresh fish. It's really good, but ooh, it's got a spicy kick as well. But yeah, definitely I'm going to enjoy as much seafood as possible while I'm here. Great lunch. The water of the color is insane. It changes as well with the sun and with the currents. Here I am finally, after months of waiting. I am swimming in the Laguna Bacalar, also known as the Lagoon of 7 colors, because the water really changes 7 different colors. Here I'm in a really pale colored area. It's so amazing. And actually I gotta go because we were told that our tour boat is ready in 10 minutes. So let's go on the tour. So this is the end of our first day in Bacalar, and we are enjoying dinner. You know, they eat very late here. Usually people start going out to restaurants at 9 p.m. and we got here maybe around 9:15 and we just got served and it's 10 p.m. But we could really use our bed as well. We have a new friend that's eating with us right under our table. Pero, ¿hablas español, pero? We have 2 dogs with us now playing.
You're friendly.
Yeah, we haven't seen any unfriendly pets here. All the pets are friendly. So this is what they call a crostini here. It's a huge slice of bread, and look at that beautiful thick cheese. This is an appetizer. We literally each have our own dog. This is Natasha's dog, and here's my dog. But check out my dinner. I ordered grilled octopus, and I got the entire octopus. Isn't that amazing? It smells really good. And yes, you can still get pasta even here. Okay. And we just got some more cheese for Natasha's pasta, apparently. So buon provecho, and we'll see you tomorrow at our exciting ruins expedition. Bye. She gave them meat, so she has new friends for life. Hit the like button, please leave a comment, and always remember to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. See you soon.